Welcome to Module 2 of the Virtual Rap Sheet Workshop. In this module, we will be discussing sealing options offered in New York State. Sealing hides certain arrest and conviction information for almost all purposes. This means that most sealed information cannot be accessed, considered, or requested by most employers or agencies conducting background checks or suppressed rap sheets. Note that sealing does not erase your criminal case. It merely makes the case inaccessible. There are two types of sealing in New York State: automatic sealing and sealing by application. Let's discuss the differences between the two general types of sealing in New York. Automatic sealing in New York is a type of sealing that is applied automatically. There is no need to submit an application. Automatic sealing should be applied to favorable outcomes, adjudications, and violations. Note that automatic sealing does not apply to felony and misdemeanor convictions. For such criminal convictions, sealing by application is required. Unlike the previous types of outcomes that are automatically sealed, criminal convictions require sealing by application. New York State sealing laws are limited in scope and only apply to three types of eligible offenses: substance use convictions, prostitution-related convictions, and convictions over 10 years old. Each sealing law has its own eligibility requirements and application process. To learn more, contact the Legal Action Center. In order to identify your sealing eligibility, or if you wish to confirm whether your records have been sealed, obtain a copy of your unsuppressed rap sheet and share it with the Legal Action Center. A paralegal can help you determine your eligibility and further help you address any eligible unsealed records, if any. To learn more about New York State rap sheets, refer to Module 1. By 2023, many New York State marijuana convictions will be automatically expunged. Legally, this means the convictions will be treated as though they never occurred. You don't need a lawyer to request the expungement, it's automatic. However, non-citizens may want to consult an attorney about how this law impacts them. Thank you for joining us in Module 2, where we discuss sealing in New York State. In the next module, we will cover certificates of relief and good conduct.